Starting a food truck business. 1. Food trucks still provide a dining experience. From your menu selection to customer service, patrons must walk away feeling as though they've eaten in a restaurant. Think of your food truck as a restaurant on wheels, and customers will keep coming back. That means top quality, service, and curb appeal. 2. Food trucks is far cheaper than a brick and mortar restaurant. A food truck will still cost you thousands of dollars upfront. Even a used one can cost around $15,000, and then you'll need to outfit it to suit your particular needs. Unless you have a lot of cash lying around, you'll need financing either through a bank, small business bureau, or investors. You'll also have to pay for ongoing costs, which include not only items related directly to food preparation and marketing, but also the costs of gasoline, vehicle maintenance, parking, and local licensing requirements, to name just a few.
3. A mobile food truck business requires licensing and permits. Depending on where you plan to do business, you'll likely need to apply for special licenses and permits. Sometimes the number of permits allowed in one area is capped, causing a long waiting period for food truck owners. Permits can be expensive and often need to be renewed on an annual basis. In addition to operating licenses, you may also need to obtain parking permits to score prime curbside real estate. 4. Health and safety are important in a food truck business. If you're serving food to the public, you need to take the necessary steps to ensure the safety of both workers and customers. Food should be stored, prepared, and served in sanitary conditions, at the proper temperature. You will need to apply for a health license before you can do business. Your local health inspector will walk you through the regulations needed to make sure your food truck business is safe.
5. Location is important for a successful food truck business. One of the biggest advantages a food truck has over a restaurant is that it can bring food to the customer. However, you need to know where the customers are. It's all about location and balancing where you can legally park in a busy area with a lot of foot traffic. Jockeying for a spot in some busy locations may not be worth the revenues generated from the weekday lunch break. 6. Use social media as a great tool for food trucks. Many mobile food truck businesses turn to social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote their business. You can tweet where you are going to be each day and post specials and other promotions to your followers.
7. Owning a food truck business is a lot of hard work. Being the owner of any small business is a lot of hard work. It means long hours and wearing a lot of hats. In any given day, you might be the cook, server, dishwasher, bookkeeper, and accountant. While certainly rewarding, it's not always glamorous. Before you become a food truck owner, do a reality check and get a sense of what's involved. 8. Trucks are one of the most popular restaurant concepts today. The Food Network even has a show about it, The Great Food Truck Race. Compared to brick and mortar restaurants, they offer low startup costs and low overhead. However, a food truck is still a business and as such, requires hard work and dedication to be successful.